Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to edit checkout page on your Shopify store. Now open the Shopify website on your browser. Now log into your account. Now go to online stores and then go to themes. Now once you're in the themes, scroll down and click on customize. Now from the drop-down menu at the top, select checkout. It will lead you to the checkout page on your website. From here, you can edit the checkout page however you like. And that would be it. Now you know how to edit the checkout page on your Shopify store. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.